This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English news broadcast for this hour. I'm your reporter Barsabet Taghla, and following are the major headlines for today. Contribution of cultural villages in transferring societal values. Encouraging eye surgery conducted in the southern region. Authorities battle flames destroying forest cover in Morocco. And Mount Etna in Italy illuminated a breathtaking display of eruptions. On your local report, the cultural villages being displayed at the National Festival 2023 reported that they have significant contribution in preserving and transferring the societal cultural values. Expressing impression on the activities being carried out at the festival, especially on cultural issues, visitors of the festival from inside the country and abroad said that they have been able to understand firsthand about the diverse cultures of the Eritrean society. The visitors also said that the fact that most of the activities are being carried out by the youth, they have significant contribution in transferring the societal values to generations. They also called for active participation of the nationals for ensuring the continuity of the festivals. Mr. Yamanit Agai, head of non-communicable diseases control at the Ministry of Health branch in the southern region, reported that commendable eye surgery has been conducted. Mr. Yamane went on to say that eye surgery on various eye complications has been conducted on 517 patients in the subzones of Torona, Mai'aini, Sanafe, Saganeti, and Ad'ayeh, and that the operation has been conducted by Eritrean professionals from inside the country. Pointing out that previously eye surgery has been conducted at the Mendefera Referral Hospital, Mr. Yamane said that it was creating hurdles on patients in terms of time and extra expenses. According to a document from the Ministry of Health branch in the region, in the past 4 years, surgery on cataract has been conducted on 3,771 patients in the region. On your last domestic news, Mr. Fissahatian Takie, coordinator of the Student Summer Work Program in the Northern Red Sea region, said that commendable activities have been conducted through the Students' Summer Work Program across the same region. Mr. Fissahatian said that the program that is being carried out in 4 subzones of the region includes construction and repairing terraces, construction of water diversion schemes, planting tree seedlings, road maintenance, among others. So far, Mr. Fissahatian said that over 37,000 terraces and 3,524 meter cube of water diversion schemes have been constructed. About 130,000 meters of terraces have been repaired, and that 85% of the set-out program has been implemented. The Student Summer Work Program is being participated by 1,525 students and coordinators. Dear viewers, and now do stay tuned for your international reports right after the short break. Welcome back. Firefighters and emergency crews are responding to wildfire on the outskirts of Tenir that broke out late on Thursday, 10 August in the Rimelat forest in Morocco. The blaze spread towards homes in the northwest of Tenir on Friday, 11 August. Canadair CL-415 planes are being used to put out the fires. A number of firefighting personnel, auxiliary forces, and the authorities' agents were also called upon in the field. Volunteers are also trying to help experts deployed. The Rimelat forest covers about 300 hectares, and the fire broke out 3 days ago, affecting between 20 and 25 hectares, according to further reports. Morocco's Center for Water and Forestry has identified an extreme risk of forest fires in several Moroccan provinces and high and medium risks for other regions. The North African Kingdom recently allocated $22 million for forest fire prevention and control measures. On today's final report, Mount Etna, the most active volcano in Europe, illuminated the night sky on Sunday with a breathtaking display of eruptions. Following increased activity, Italy's National Civil Protection Agency issued an official statement saying Etna entered a pre-alert phase, indicating a transition from level F0 to F1. This elevation in the alert level signifies a high likelihood of imminent lava fountaining. Perched above the Sicilian town of Catania, Mount Etna frequently erupts, yet its outbursts seldom result in significant damage. Mount Etna is believed to have the longest documented history of eruptions among all volcanoes, with records dating back to as early as 425 before Christ. Dear viewers, that was all with your domestic and international reports, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Contribution of cultural villages in transferring societal values. Encouraging eye surgery conducted in the southern region. Authorities battle flames destroying forest cover in Morocco. And Mount Etna in Italy illuminated a breathtaking display of eruptions. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and do have a good one.